Fifth grade Shurley Love is page 41. We're going to do part 1, so exercise 1. We are learning a new pattern, so this is pattern 4, and we are adding in predicate nouns to our classifying of sentences. So a predicate noun is a noun or a pronoun. A predicate noun means the same thing as the subject noun. Okay, so before when we had a direct object, the direct object didn't mean the same thing, right? Okay, now the predicate noun will mean the same thing as the subject noun, okay? A predicate noun is located after a linking verb. To find the predicate noun, ask what or who after the verb. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. A bear is an animal. What is an animal? Bear. Subject noun. What is being said about the bear? Animal. It is. Verb. The bear is what? Animal. An animal. Is animal the same thing as bear? Yes. Okay. So it is. So this is where you decide if you're either going to use a predicate noun or you're going to use a direct object. So if it wasn't, then we would say it's a direct object. But it is. So this is going to be a predicate noun. And this is what you put for its label. You put a capital P, a lowercase r, and then a capital N. Okay. And then once again, the verb becomes a verb transitive. Okay. And is what? Article adjective, right? A is article adjective. Now for your pattern, you have subject, noun, linking, verb, predicate, noun, pattern, for, check. We have no prepositional phrases, period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Bear is. Is there an adverb exception? No. This is in the natural or inverted order. Natural. Okay. So this is basically like patterns 2 and 3 that have direct objects. Okay. It's just the actual noun goes with the subject noun, so it becomes the predicate noun. A bear is a very large, shaggy animal with a short tail. What is a very large, shaggy animal with a short tail? Bear. Subject noun. What is being said about the bear? Is what? An animal, right? Okay, so is animal referring to the bear? Yes, so it's a predicate noun. Okay, is becomes the verb transitive. What kind of animal? The shaggy first, right? So adjective. What kind of animal? Adjective. A. With preposition with what? What kind of tail? A. Pattern, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, or check. With a short tail? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's the natural or inverted order. Okay. China is a country on the other side of the world. What is a country on the other side of the world? What is being said about China? It is what? Okay, so is country referring to China? Yes, so it's a predicate noun. It becomes a verb. Transitive. A is an. Okay, on. On what? Kind of side. The. Up. On what? The. Okay, pattern. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, or check. On the other side of the world. period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Violets are a common wildflower in our forest. What are a common wildflower in our forest? What is being said about the violets? Are what? Flower. Is flower referring to the violets? Yes, so it's a predicate noun. And then are becomes a verb. Transitive. A. Oh my goodness, guys, I put up the wrong thing. Okay, what kind of flower? What kind of flower? And then, of course, we would have done A for our collection, right? In what? Whose forest? Possessive pronoun, adjective, pattern, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, or check. Okay, in our forest, period. So back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. This berry is a small sweet fruit. So what is a small sweet fruit? Berry. Subject count. What about the berry? Is what? Fruit. Is fruit the same thing as berry? Yes. So it's a predicate noun. Is becomes a verb. Transitive. What kind of fruit? Sweet. Adjective. What kind of fruit? Small. Adjective. A. Okay. And then what kind of berry? Okay. Pattern. Subject. Noun. Linking verb. Predicate. Noun. Pattern. Or check. No prepositional phrases. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there, between berry and is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. So this is pretty easy. It's just literally changing the noun that's being identified to it matching with the subject noun, right? Okay. So basically what we've seen, just that little bit of different. Okay. So of course you don't have homework since this was a new one. We did some practice together.